folks, I'm just going to show you how we're going to make some panels for going around a water tank to make it childproof and safe on a festival I'm at Earthsong gathering. So you can have a look at this thing here. This is what we're making, these here. And we're making 6 of these plus a doorway, and you'll be seeing that later. And we're going to make an septagon, and that's going to go around the tank. So have a look at this. This here is the jig we've got set up to make the uprights. These are the pickets. So what I've got here is this jig. Come on, have a look at this. So this slides up here like that, and we cut them to length here. Goes down there, slide that along there for the next length. This one's been cut. I then mark on there the angle with a pen where it's going to be cut like that. And here it is here. Goes in this jig here. Like that. Cut them off there. There are pickets. So that's that. We then put them together here. This is the first frame we put together. Then we put the pickets on, and we're going to be painting them over there like that. Once we've painted them and we've dried them, we'll show you how we put them together to make a covering or a surrounding, a child-proof surrounding for the splash pool. Here's the setup of the frames for the splash pool, and over here we put them on a pattern, and the boys here are actually screwing them together, and they're following the pattern below. So over here we've got the finished product, a whole bunch of them. And here is the doorway. This is the doorway. Yeah, show us the doorway, Ilona. Look at that, that's the gateway, and these will all be hooked together, and we'll show you what it looks like later. We've got the walls made, and we are painting them ready to be strapped together around that tub there, which is the plunge pool for the sauna yurt there. So these are the panels we made, and we're putting them in here like this. Now to do this, I hooked them together with rubber bands. And this is how you cut the rubber bands from truck tyre or tractor tyre tubes. I'm going to put on it like that, pull out and cut at the same time, like that. You've got to make sure you pull out. Good sharp knife, even if the rubber's wet it works better. So have a look at this. Could you give me a stick please? Oh, I've got one here, Alana. So, come and check this out. Put it around there. These are really strong. By the time you wrap it around once that's strong, another time it's stronger again, then it's stronger again. It just keeps getting stronger. Now to finish it off, what you can do is, get a bit of the rubber, pull it out like that, put it through there like that, stick, put the stick through like that, and then just pull that back there. They don't go nowhere. We've got the actual shelter. Have a look at this. And it's really solid. You watch this.
sort of solid. And the door, look at this door. And what's the spring? Rubber bands. See you later.